Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some Roblox like we did last video. Last video was my first video, so it wouldn't be that good, of course, but we're gonna play with some Welcome to Bloxburg. So let's get started. Guys, it's loading in, and it's taking too long to load in. There we go. You might hear me like voice crack or something, because I'm sick, so, oh, that's loud. That's very loud. That's better. Let's get started! I had to turn down my volume, so I kind of went AFK, but I was still recording, but I don't care, so. I'm looking at a pencil right now while I'm recording. Ow, that hurt my eyes. Oh, okay. I'm not this skin. Ooh, my cream, my lord. Ah, why is my skin so glitchy? There we go. So. Oh, okay, something's glitching really badly. Yep, my windows aren't. Come on. Okay, things are loading in. Things are loading in. But we need to get some money because we're kind of low on money right now. So let's open our garage. Actually, let's actually have some fun. Let's not do the boring stuff. We're not going to do the boring stuff and just, go do the stupid job. Since our car doesn't fit up there, we're going to go on top of there. We are going to glide off those things. And I know, kind of sounds cray, but it will be so worth it. But it will take me a while to get up there, because I'm in the flippin'est slow bike in the world. This is very slow. Very slow. Okay, guys, we're climbing up this darn hill. I remember last time we played Welcome to Bloxburg for like 2 seconds. It was like covered in snow, so there's a new update now that, it's not covered in snow anymore. And plus the snow, I guess, was glitchy, he said in the description of his game. Okay, yeah, let's go. Wanna see where we can get to my house? Alright, so my house is over this way, I'm gonna guess it's our house. Oh, my neck hurts. There we go, that's it. Come on! Let's go, mate. I want to do this without the gun. I think that's my house. Oh, what's going to whip at me? Can't really walk. That was probably loud. Sorry. We are almost to my house. I'm at the do circle. Oh, never mind. Yep, this is definitely my house. So let's turn in circles. That sounded weird. And yeah, oh Jesus. Are you okay there, buddy? That kinda looked like it hurt. Come on. Okay, I gotta go. Yeah. Oh, what the? You can climb up trees? What the heck? My fun is counted down, so I am going to watch. Jeez, how far that? Oh, I was gonna say, like, how far did that go at? But I guess my guy's hungry, and he's. Oh, and yeah. I need to take a shower. Buddy, you stink. You stink very, very bad. Like, very, very badly. But, at least that thing is up, and I believe I have tacos in here. Do I? Yes, I do. Take portion. Eat tacos. Portion. Eat the tacos. Energy, hygiene. Let's go take the bath of goody goodness. So let's actually try that shower. Which one goes on more? This one. So, how is it giving us energy when we shower? I actually don't know. Come on, this is so slow. Like, welcome to Bloxburg, though, is like a life game. So, oh my. That's really going up. We're already good. Okay. Well, cosmetic character. Really, bruh? Oh, wait. I don't want to skin tone. Oh. Guys, sometimes welcome to Bloxburg is not that real. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to here. Wait, can we? Oh, a kid. Oh, I'm making myself a kid. I'm a kid. Yahoo! Oh, I'm a kid, and I'm gonna drive a car. Cause I'm a kid. And do kids know how to drive cars? Oh, not in real life, but in this game, he used to do. Oh, close the garage. Actually, it's 2:35 a.m. Let's party! Well, is anyone invited? Because I'll invite some people. Show party! Yes, let's go! Come on, people. Come on, let's go! No people want to go to my party. Are you serious right now? Like, don't party again. Let's start the party. Well, I guess I want to party with. Oh. Please, we have one person. Please don't leave. What the flip? He just what the heck? You can't just get into my house, brother. This is my house. I'm gonna donate you money. 12. Yes. I donate you $12. Hello. NP. Wait, nope. NP. I'm gonna be a good person. I'm gonna donate them 100. Okay. There goes some money, mate. Let's go some money, mate. I'm gonna go NP because he's probably gonna go fast. Yep. Yeah. ABC. 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 I have my own computer and I'm flipping ping pong. Oh my god. Ready? This kid. Computer, I don't. Ready? So I said sure, and I'm about to leave. I'm just gonna leave. Ha ha ha! You suck, person. Oh, by the way, guys, he doesn't suck. I'm just doing it because I don't need the dog in the game. But anyway, so guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notifications to get uploads. I upload random every, I don't know, other day, I guess. I upload random videos when I can. I have the time. But I will see you all whenever I post another video again. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below saying I subscribed. Bye, everybody!